Hello everyone, welcome to Hassan Ali Promoters. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for regular property updates. Now I am at Mucharla Pharmacity Road, the new link road which connects Kandukur Sirisalam Highway to Yacharam Ibrahimpatnam Sagar Highway. On this left, you can find the board. It's a proposed housing layout for Hyderabad Pharmacity, and after crossing this you will find Amazon data center on left. Here I am going to show you our new project Googie Pharmacity, which is DTCP approved layout. Already we got the DTCP LP number and RERA number for this project. So in this area the government Hyderabad Pharmacity, which is on 19,333 acres, it's going to be a biggest pharmacity in the world, spread on 19,333 acres and 78 square kilometers, where about 400 Asia top pharma companies are going to establish here and do their research. So on this left, it's Amazon data center. This area is just 30 kilometers from Hyderabad and very much developing area, Hyderabad Pharmacity. Maybe soon by March this is going to launch by our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir. So the purple is the total pharma city and the red is our site. It's just 1 kilometer, the Googie Pharma City at Yacharam. Googie Pharma City is a DTCP approved layout with DTCP LP number and RERA number. On this left, it's an extension of Pharma City. In this extension too, we have plots available. So this is a 200 acres pharmacity owned by Googie Properties, located at Yacharam. It's just 1 kilometer from proposed Hyderabad Pharmacity, and this is our venture entrance, the Googie Pharmacity. It's already DTCP approved layout spread across 200 acres. Googie Pharmacity is very good for small investments. We have 200 to 300 square yard plots. It's very best for investment, and the location is just 40 kilometers from Hyderabad and very close to proposed Hyderabad Pharmacity, which is on 19,333 acres. So this is already DTCP approved layout. We already received the LP number and we already registered with RERA. So it's a very good and ideal for investment. And the amenities we are offering is underground electricity, underground drainage, water lines, street lights, 24 security, overhead tank. The development work is going on in a full swing. It's a 200 acres layout and very beautiful location. The plot sizes are 200 and 300. For more details and site visit, you can call me on 7032449911. It's a DTCP approved venture with LP number, and you have very amazing view from the site. And those who want brochure or location, they can ping me on my WhatsApp 7032449911. As you all know, I am working with Googie Properties as Senior General Manager at Santosh Nagar branch. So you can meet me up at Santosh Nagar branch near Yadgiri Theatre, third floor, Googie Properties. We have around 12 ventures This is a Googie Pharmacity venture. In Ibrahimpatnam Road, we have 5 ventures: Satellite Township, Farmer Hills, Pharma Hills Phase 1, Phase 2, and this is a Googie Pharmacity. You can see the hill view, and the building you are seeing is Ghanta Foods Private Limited. It's a very much developing area, and you have an awesome view, very awesome view from here. So you have plots on hill and as well as on the level land, and the front hills which you are seeing, it's a Pharma City, the Hyderabad Pharma City. So this is on 200 acres. It's already approved layout with LP number. Very good for investment. So those who are interested, you can call me on 7032 449911. Googie Properties is offering a HMDA and DTCP approved layouts in Ibrahimpatnam Sagar Highway. On Ibrahimpatnam, near Agapalli, we are offering a satellite township venture, which is a HMDA proposed layout. So for that venture also you can call me up. And this venture, Googie Pharmacity, it's a very good venture, ideal for investment. You can expect a good appreciation in a short time. And we are offering all the amenities and free resort membership in Googie Resort. On this project, we are making a 9 acres resort with all amenities, clubhouse and swimming pool. So there will be a lifetime free membership for all the customers who is going to purchase in this project. This is a very awesome venture with all amenities. It's very good for small investors, those who are planning for future. Maybe after the launching of Hyderabad Pharmacity, the price in this vicinity and in this venture is going to increase very fastly. Googie Pharmacity spread on 200 acres, DTCP approved layout with DTCP LP number and registered with RERA. Don't miss this opportunity. Book your dream plot now. It's a very small investment, good for your children's future. So book your dream plot. Call me on 7032 449911. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do share this property with your friends and relatives. It's very good for investment. Thanks for watching. See you all in next video. Keep sharing, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.